you got? You want your pajamas back?
Hi.
Strolling
Hi.
around.
Can you say cheese?
Strolling around mostly nude on a Saturday night.
Pal, can you play the piano with Dad?
Come here.
Can you and Daddy play the piano?
Let's play the piano. Come here. Come on.
Yeah.
Oh, you're so close.
How about Daddy plays?
We could sing it again. Ready? Well, I guess that's why they call it the blues. Time on my hands could be time spent with you. Laughing like children, living like lovers, rolling like thunder under the covers. And I guess that's why they call it the blues.
Does that sound good?
Laughing like children,
Whoa.
living like lovers. Come here, join me. We'll sing a duet. We can do Stevie. Can I do Stevie? Come here. Okay. Ready? Oh. No, we want to play right. I was born in Lombok, had a childhood sweetheart. We were always hand in hand.
Does that sound good?
I wore high top shoes with shirt tails. Susie was in pigtails. I knew I loved her even then. You know my papa disapproved it, one hand playing. My mama boo-hooed it. Though I told her time and time again. Don't you know I was made to love?
What's she picking up off the ground?
Feel my world all around her. Yeah. Hey, hey, hey. Do, 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 do. She's been my inspiration. Show appreciation for love I gave her through the years.
Yeah.
That was pretty good. I think we nailed that one.
It sounded terrible.
You helped a lot. You want to do elephant? You want to do elephant? Okay. What does an elephant do? Daddy, do the elephant? Lila, do the elephant? Okay. Okay, Atticus is getting wet. There you go.
Can you make the noise, Lila?
Atticus, back.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good.
You gonna pole vault? You gonna pole vault? And plant!